The ancient Romans and Greeks combined massage and exercise in their athletic training. Various Asian cultures also developed forms of massage for dancers and for students of martial arts. As a formal practice, however, sports massage began in the Soviet Union and Communist bloc countries in the 1960s. Soviet teams were the first to have a massage therapist travel with them and work on athletes on a regular and ongoing basis. Through sports and cultural exchanges, the concept of sports massage moved to Europe and the United States in the 1970s. Over time, the benefits of sports massage became accepted, and sports massage became a part of the training regime, first of professional athletes, then of college and amateur athletes then. Most professional sports teams have massage therapists. This form of treatment is also for the ordinary people too. There are three main categories of massage techniques, which are mostly used in sports: effleurage, petrissage, and friction. Many sports massage therapists make their big break with a recommendation from a player or someone that works for the team. The table height should be lower at fingertips so you can put a leg up on the table with knees flexed and still easily lean forward to apply pressure. Lubrication should be used with minimal amount to avoid causing friction burns or body hair pulling. Here are some benefits of sports massage. First one, it balances muscle groups and soft tissues of the body, reducing the chance of injury during training and competition. Second one, shortens recovery time between workouts, allowing greater training intensity. Number 3, improves range of motion and muscle flexibility, resulting in improved efficiency, power, and performance. Number 4, increased blood flow, which improves the supply of nutrients to the soft tissues. There are many different types of sports massage. First one is pre-event massage. Would usually be 5 to 10 minutes in a team changing room environment, but could be easily shortened or extended depending on circumstances. Pre-game techniques are usually fast-paced to stimulate blood flow, flush the system, and reduce resistance. Next type is post-event massage, and this would usually last around 5 to 15 minutes also in a team changing room environment, but could be shortened or extended depending on circumstances. With this one, you want to concentrate on major muscles used in the event, using light draining strokes, moving towards the heart. Start lightly and gradually apply more pressure. And do not use resistive stretching on tired muscles. Use gentle compressions, light circular friction to aid in circulation and reduce spasms. The last type of sports massage I'm going to talk about is maintenance massage. And this would usually last 30 to 60 minutes in a clinic situation, but could be shortened or extended depending on circumstances. Time can also be negotiated with the athlete depending on their time availability. For the techniques, if they are tight, you might want to use trigger point methods. Maintenance techniques usually are Swedish massage with deep transverse friction. Work to increase flexibility and also range of motion. If they are fatigued, you may want to use more effleurage and other strokes to drain lactic acid buildup. Here are some rules for sports massage. Know the stats and players' names of what sports you are going to be massaging. Number 2, athletes love talking about how they performed in a game and event. Number 3, know what techniques to use for pre, post, and maintenance massage. Number 4, if you work for a sports team, you will usually work underneath the athletic trainers or chiropractors or doctors. Number 5, know your muscles because they do know a lot. Number 6, know types of injuries athletes can have. Number 7, all sports massage techniques can use muscle energy techniques like PNF, active isolated stretching, and others. Number 8, never have the client tense up so much that they vibrate. Number 9, most of the techniques are slow and deep glides. Number 10, most of the techniques are used for maintenance massage, and that's usually 2 to 3 days before or after an event. Number 11, remember the rules of RICE: rest, ice, compression, elevation. Number 12, some sports you can't use oil before an event, like wrestling and others. Number 13, make sure to remove as much oil off their body before or after an event. Number 14, cocoa butter sticks work very well for deep friction. It provides great traction. Number 15, a lot of the techniques can be performed with the client wearing shorts. Number 16, Never ask the athlete where they hurt just before their event or game.